which we are applying our mind just now. Okay? Because we are already on the 29th. I foresee, now I'm speaking not with a mandate as an announcement, I foresee a slight extension of the temporary suspension because we are getting the fuller picture of what has happened. I don't expect that extension to be a long or indefinite extension. I'm not going to put a figure on it, but the words I'm choosing will give you an idea. A slight extension, small extension of the temporary suspension. Because I also see that flights from the United Kingdom to other countries are similarly suspended for the moment. But I think we are getting a handle on this once we have the genome sequencing completed and we have a fuller extent of the picture, and I think that will give us the confidence to open up flights again.
Sir.
Well, we are monitoring that. I mean, for instance, if I heard in South Africa there were one or two cases elsewhere, we are monitoring that very carefully. We are monitoring that.
Sir, you have already answered this question, but I'll read if you want to add anything. Since 6 cases of UK virus have been found on the arrival, does the government plan to extend the ban of flight beyond 31st December?
I have, in fact, not only responded, but the person asking the question and I have the same number in terms of genome sequencing. But you know, these are laboratory tests carried out all over. I don't know what the final number would be where this is found. But I think the message which I'm very happy to convey is that our systems are in place. We have managed the contact tracing. We are doing the testing. And as I said on an earlier occasion, speaking to some of you informally, should further steps be warranted, we are ready to take them. But just now, I would say the current situation will remain, and we probably may look at a marginal or a short extension of the temporary suspension.
Thanks. 22.
मंत्री जी को नए साल की मुबारकबाद अभी से दे दें क्योंकि आज 29 तारीख है। मेरा सवाल ये है कि एयर इंडिया के डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में जो आपने कहा कि बिट आ गई है, तब तक कितनी बिट आ चुकी है?
देखिए, पहले तो मैं आप सबको नए साल की शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा। एयर इंडिया का जो डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट या प्राइवेटाइजेशन प्रोसेस है, वो 14 दिसंबर थी एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फाइल करने के लिए, और 5 जनवरी को जो सरकार की डिपार्टमेंट है वित्त मंत्रालय में, डीपम, वो इंडिकेट करेंगे कि जो बिडर्स आए हैं, अभी तक तो मैं आपके सवाल का यही जवाब दे सकता हूं कि उस डिपार्टमेंट के जो सचिव हैं, उन्होंने शब्द जो इस्तेमाल किया है मल्टीपल बिड स्कीम। तो मल्टीपल का मतलब है कई बिड्स आई हैं, पर इनमें से कितनी शॉर्टलिस्ट होंगी एज हैविंग क्वालिफाइड आफ्टर हैविंग मेट द क्राइटेरिया, ये 5 तारीख या 6 तारीख को जनवरी में, अभी कुछ ही दिनों में इसकी हमें जानकारी मिल जाएगी। उसके बाद जो पोटेंशियल बिडर्स हैं, इंटरेस्टेड पार्टीज हैं, उनको समय दिया जाएगा 90 दिन का। उस दौरान वो जो एयर इंडिया की बुक्स हैं, एयर इंडिया की जो अकाउंट्स हैं और जो बाकी इंफॉर्मेशन है, उसकी अच्छी तरह वो जांच कर सके और सरकार को भी मौका मिलेगा।
All right, you heard Union Minister Hardeep Puri there, who says that he foresees a slight extension of the temporary suspension of flight services between India and UK. We'll get you more details on the other side as well. For now, a short break.
It's time for the perfect journey. The weather, sponsored by Qatar Airways.